If you're injured at sea, there are 3 primary rights that you as an injured offshore worker must know about at the outset. Number 1, you have the right to hold the company accountable for what happened to you, either under negligence or unseaworthiness. What's important about negligence is under the maritime law, all you have to prove is that the company was at least 1% responsible for what happened to you. You're also entitled to hold the ship owner accountable under the doctrine of unseaworthiness. Number 2 right you have is that the company pay you maintenance until you're fully healed. Maintenance means pay for your living, pay for your food and shelter, and they have to start paying that right away. The 3rd important right injured offshore workers have is called the payment of cure. The company has to pay cure. They have to pay the medical bills. And so, importantly, they don't get to choose the doctor, but you get to choose the doctor. And whatever doctor you choose to see, the company must pay for until you're fully healed. And so if you ever have any questions after an offshore injury about what your rights are, give us a call and we'll be glad to help you out.